what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So jumping right in, I am going to be testing out and reviewing some products that I have never ever heard of. They are earth supplied. Have you guys heard of them? It says new, so I don't know. But they caught my eye and I was like, why not? Let's try them. So this is their leave-in conditioner and it comes in a little tub jar, yay! And this is their curl activator. It comes in a little pump, but it's fine. So my hair is freshly washed and it's still a little bit damp. So it's perfect. The directions say to apply to damp hair. So my hair is damp. So of course, starting with the leave-in conditioner. It smells really good. It definitely has the coconut scent to it. This is supposed to have shea butter, but you can't really smell it that much. It smells very nice. It's not too strong though, so I like that. So, oh wow, this is actually hard. It's very creamy. Oh yeah. This definitely feels like shea butter and coconut, but it has like that creamy, thick consistency of shea butter. It smells kind of fruity. It smells really good though. So this stuff is supposed to be very moisturizing, especially for damaged hair, transitioning hair, and natural hair. So I'm not transitioning, but I do have processed hair, so I definitely want that moisture. So I'm really trying to focus this not towards the roots, just towards the ends and the length of my hair. Almost feels like an oil instead of like a leave-in conditioner. And probably because it has coconut oil and the shea butter, it definitely has that buttery feel. Where I almost feel it's not penetrating my hair because it's wet. You know, oil and water don't mix. I feel like it's defining my curls already though, so that's good. Okay, so I like how it's already defining my curls. So far, so good. So next I'm gonna go in with their curl activator. Curl Poppin' Activator. It's very like a creamy, sticky texture. It smells really good too, just like the leave-in conditioner. It almost feels like glue. It's actually going in nice and smoothly. Has a good slip to it too, so that's always a plus. Okay, so my hair is coated in the Curl Poppin' Activator and my curls are already clumping and I'm hopeful. I feel like it looks good so far, so I have high hopes for this product or these products. So of course I'm gonna let it air dry and I will be back later to show you what it's looking like. So as you can see, here are the air dried results. I personally love it. So here's a close up so you could see all that definition in my hair. Look at all that. It feels very moisturized. I love how defined it is. There's very minimal frizz, as you can see. It's nothing crazy. The volume, it could be better, but it's first day, and honestly, I could easily just pick it out and give it more volume. Now, I will say that my hands, as I'm putting them through my hair, like I said, my hair does feel nice and moisturized and very soft, but my hands do feel like, I don't know if you can see it, just like a little bit greasy. It's nothing crazy, but I can definitely feel it. And I don't know if you guys remember me mentioning that when I was putting in the leave-in conditioner, it definitely felt more like oily and greasy versus like a leave-in conditioner. So that could be it, but my hair feels good though. So I'm not even mad about it. And for some reason, just like my last video, it was raining today a little bit and it did sprinkle a little bit on my hair, but it didn't seem to affect my curls at all. So this is weatherproof as well. Actually, I'm just kidding. I don't know if it is. But thankfully, I mean, my hair still turned out really good. So overall, my first impressions and opinion on the Earth Supplied leave-in conditioner, no, just kidding, leave-in conditioner and Curl Pop-In Activator, love them and totally would recommend them, especially if your hair is processed, damaged, transitioning, natural. You definitely want that moisture. I would totally go for these products. I will definitely be using them again. I am a fan now. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. Of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.